just empty air. White fridge humming, one magnet skewed, paper half creased, ink bleeding blue. She left a note in hieroglyphics, little lines, tiny twists of the pen. I read it once, twice, 10 times again, but I still can't tell what leaving meant. She left a note in hieroglyphs, and she took the language when she went. Cat's still waiting by the bowl, movie still paused halfway through a joke. Coffee ring circles where her keys used to fall, her shadow's a puzzle fading on the wall. She left a note in hieroglyphs, and she took the